Hey there, Andy Ellison with eXp Realty. The Boise real estate market numbers are out and here is what they are showing. The median sales price in Ada County for the month of June came in at $545,000. This is an 8% drop from the same time last year. Interesting to note though, if you look at it from a month-over-month basis, it's the third consecutive month we've seen the prices tick upward. Ultimately, the low amount of inventory we have across the valley, so by inventory, I mean how many homes are listed for sale, is one big reason that we're seeing home prices remain high. And that's even with the relatively higher interest rates. What's more, 1 year ago, we were all shocked at how low inventory was then, and now it's even lower. If you turn and just look at the existing resale market and exclude new construction, prices are down a bit. At $540,000, this is still an increase of $30,000 from just last month. New construction, on the other hand, is down $49,000 month over month, and then by nearly 20% compared to just 1 year ago. Also important to note, homes are sitting on the market twice as long as they were 1 year ago. The average is now 33 days, and that's compared to just 15 last year. Overall, fewer homes are selling. You can see that decrease here. So sales are down 5.5% year over year. So what's coming? It's looking like affordability is going to continue to be an issue, not only for home buyers, but for our renters out there too. Supply versus demand is the key component to this equation. We need to see more homes hitting the market and of course being sold to help alleviate the increase in home prices and rental prices. That said, for many would-be sellers, swapping their current 2.5% interest rate for a 6.5% to 7% interest rate, well, yeah, that isn't all that appealing to most. So we aren't expecting to see inventory jump up anytime soon in the immediate future. Now let's hop over to look at Canyon County's numbers. The median sales price in Canyon County is down 9% year over year and is currently at $405,000. The overall numbers of homes sold is also down from the same time last year, and similar to Ada County, they are taking a lot longer to sell, even though there are fewer of them listed on the market. If you then look at just the resale market, the median sales price is down 7.4% year over year and is sitting at $389,000. The days on market are also up 120% with an average of 33 days on market. Inventory remains very low with 416 homes, a 32.5% decrease from the same time last year. If you turn and just look at what's happening in Canyon County's new construction arena, it's kind of actually all over the board. The median sales price is down almost 16% at $434,000. Interestingly, more homes overall sold, yet they are similar to Ada County, taking significantly longer to sell. And yep, inventory has dropped a ton. So what are we seeing in general with our potential and hopeful buyers? Many buyers have found themselves in a bit of a holding pattern, waiting for more options and better interest rates. While potential would-be sellers, as I mentioned earlier, are very hesitant to sell, even if they want to, because they'd be relinquishing their current interest rates, which are typically below 4%, for a much higher and in many cases actually double that of their current rate. Similar to last month, buyer demand will remain lower than it would typically be, due largely to, you guessed it, rates. To turn things around, we will need to see some good news from the Fed in relation to inflation numbers and the job market. Fingers crossed. Will we ever see rates fall below 4%? Gosh, I wish I knew, but what I do know is that I would rather pay 6.5% to 7% interest than continue renting at, well, if you are renting, you're basically paying 100% interest, so there's that. And you can always refinance down the road if and when rates decrease. As the saying goes, marry the house and date the rate. Boise and the surrounding Treasure Valley's real estate market offers unique opportunities and challenges for both buyers and sellers. We are here to help. Call or text us 208-598-3040. And as always, please be sure to like and subscribe so we can stay in touch. Have a great day.